ते बेश्टी तेणे असेंब्लीन म्हटलें ताका खबर ना तेजो implication कितें पळय if the news goes worldwide and in Navin Times and all everybody has carried the news, Times of India is carried, so internationally we are getting messages which is not good for Goa. Responsible people should not make such statements. He is one of the legislator of the state assembly. He may be representing one constituency, but it doesn't mean that he can make a statement which can impact entire state economy, because our economy after mining, which has stopped in the state of Goa, mining has gone down drastically in the state of Goa, is only on tourism, and tourism not only the beach belt but the hinterland also survives. Hinterland Goa, I am talking about, even people go and stay in Sanghe area, whether it is Netravali or other places, and also in Mahe, whether it is Mahe Lake, whether it is bungee jumping, people go there. So tourism is all over the state today. It's not only at the coastal belt. So liquor is part of the industry. You cannot displace it.
Limitation?
No, displace it. You cannot displace it.
But everybody has a right to give his view, opinion.
He has only given his opinion, but giving opinion irresponsibly, especially on liquor, is bad. He is my colleague, he is my friend. I have explained to him the repercussions. People have not taken it very well as a responsible MLA of the ruling party. ना तेचे म्हणणे आहा ते पण तेजो भाव जो आसलो आमचो आनंद शेट, who was my very good friend, and 2007 to 12 I was Zilla Panchayat member. We used to sit together for a drink. So his brother was just opposite. So his brother used to drink, he doesn't drink. So we sat together, including myself. I mean limited मारपी, but तेजो भाव बरो सारको बरी विस्की मारपी मनीस. पण आयज ना आमच्या वांगडा तो. I always remember him in the assembly.
तो पिना ते बरे न्हू सर.
तो पियेना.
ते बरे न्हू. पिना जाल्यार बरे न्हू. कितें रॉंग आसा तो?
No, it's not about. It's come for Goa. Alcohol is part of the industry.
पूण अशें असेंब्ली चिंत नासतना स्टेटमेंट करप म्हणल्यार तुमकां कशें दिसता ते?
See, हांवें सांगलें न्हू तुका, ही इज अ न्यू मेंबर ऑफ द हाऊस आनी तेका थोडें खबर ना की अल्कोहॉल ट्युरिजम बंद कर फाल्यां कोण म्हटलें आमदारान, जाल्यार इट सेंड्स अ रॉंग सिग्नल टू द कंट्री, टू द इंटरनॅशनल ट्युरिस्ट. आतां सोरो बंद कर म्हणून एकलो लेजिस्लेटर म्हणटा, इट सेंड्स अ रॉंग सिग्नल टू द इंडस्ट्री which is there all over the world. म्हणजे ट्युरिस्ट आख्खे संवसाराचे गोंयान येता. ह्या वर्सा आमचे एक्सपोजिशन ऑफ सेंट फ्रांसीस झेवियर आहा. सो ते सोरो पिवंक येना. दे आर कमिंग फॉर एवरीथिंग. दे आर कमिंग फॉर पिलग्रिमेज, बट एट द सेम टाइम दे विल डेफिनेटली वॉन्ट टू have a drink by the beach side, or when they are having dinner they will drink. So alcohol, drinks, or you call it liquor, whatever it is a part of the industry.
So इला कुठ मारतात पडटा.
It is a part of the industry.
बीजेपीचो एक आमदार म्हणटा की सोरो हांगा ते बंद करा, दुसरो एक मंत्री म्हणटा इल्लेशे कुट्ट केले काय बरें जाता. सो हे कितें लोक आमदार तुमचे उलयतात, हांकां ट्रेनिंग बी काय?
Responsible talk in the assembly is important, and which can create controversy and which can create a bad image for the government and for the state should not be made in the.
So it can be part of controversy. It can be the part of controversy.
तो आमचो पेमेंट शेट जो ऑनरेबल MLA, he is my very good friend and he is a nice person. He doesn't drink.
So ताणे दुसऱ्याचे बरे चित्र
आसता. When he doesn't drink, so तेजे जे भितरले आपले
उमाळे
या ते तेणे व्यक्त केल्ले आहा. तो म्हणालो खुबशे भुरगे आमचे पियेता आनी ते थोडे जाण पडटा आनी थोडे झगडी करता. सो ही स्टार्टेड रिलेटिंग दॅट टू द एंटायर स्टेट ऑफ गोवा एंड द इकॉनॉमी which is part of the tourism, alcohol which is part of the tourism, which is served in all restaurants, all bars. People have it for festival, functions and weddings and everything.
पण तुका दिसना लिमिटूय आसोंक जाय म्हणून
आता तेजेर आनी उलोवन काय फायदा ना. The news has already gone all over the world. People did not like that statement, has condemned the statement, and they have said that this is wrong, and especially he linked it to Vikasit Bharat. Vikasit Bharat and alcohol has no link at all. Vikasit Bharat is to make India strong, which is the vision of our Prime Minister Narendra Ji Modi, and his thought process is about how to make this country great, how to build the economy of the country, and nothing to do with alcohol.
Accident